Welcome to the Profitable Cabinet Shop series. Today we're talking about the estimating bottleneck and why so many custom cabinet makers feel like they can never truly take a vacation. Let me ask you a question. How many people in your shop can accurately price a complex custom job right now? In the vast majority of custom woodworking businesses, exactly one person knows how to accurately price a complex job. You are the single point of failure. If you get sick, want to take a vacation, or simply need to step away from the desk to solve a problem on the shop floor, the pipeline of new work completely stops. This happens because of the tribal knowledge trap. Why can't you delegate estimating? Because the pricing logic only lives in your head. It's a mix of your memory, gut feelings, and recognizing past mistakes. Without a standardized system, your quotes are built on scratch paper or disjointed spreadsheets that only you understand. And even if you try to have an employee write a bid, you end up spending an hour reviewing it because you just don't trust their math. The cost of this bottleneck is severe. First, it stalls your business growth. You cannot scale past your own physical hours. If you're busy managing production, estimating gets pushed to the back burner, and your revenue growth plateaus. Second, it causes massive owner burnout. Because your daytime is spent running the shop, estimating happens at 9 p.m. on a Friday or early Sunday morning. Your business is stealing your personal time because the quoting process is broken. So how do we break the cycle? It takes 3 steps. First, digitize. Take the pricing logic out of your head and put it into a central cloud-based system. Second, standardize. Stop relying on gut feelings and use software that applies strict, consistent math to every single bid. And third, delegate. Once the math is standardized, you can train a project manager to generate flawless bids without your constant supervision. You cannot scale a business if the most critical process only lives in your head. This is exactly why we built CabEstimator. It acts as the brain for your shop's pricing. You set your global labor burden, overhead, and material costs once. From there, anyone on your team can input cabinet dimensions and let the engine do the heavy lifting. You get precise, profitable bids in minutes. It's time to delegate your bids and reclaim your time. Try it for yourself and automate your estimating logic today at CabEstimator.com.